Hey everyone, it is Tim from KDA Tech Solutions. I hope everybody's doing great. So today we're going to break down the recent Vimeo data breach and why it matters to businesses as well as everyday users alike. So Vimeo is a popular video hosting and sharing platform used by businesses, creators, and organizations around the world. Now, they recently just confirmed that hackers has accessed a portion of their user database through a third-party provider. So, according to reports, the hackers were able to obtain user information associated with Vimeo accounts. While Vimeo did state that passwords and payment information were not exposed, the breach still involves sensitive data that cybercriminals can use for phishing and social engineering attacks. Now, this is important because attackers don't always need passwords to cause damage. Email addresses, usernames, and business information, as well as account details, can be enough to launch a targeted scam or impersonation attempts. Cybercriminals often take data from one breach and combine it with information from previous leaks to build detailed profiles on individuals as well as organizations. That's how phishing emails become more convincing and more effective, and why these incidents continue to create long term risks for organizations and people. So many businesses use Vimeo for client presentations, video training, webinars, marketing content, and internal communications. If an employee or customer information was connected to those accounts, organizations can now become targets for follow-up attacks. So we commonly see these breaches lead to things like fake password reset emails, business impersonation scams, credential stuffing attacks, increased phishing campaigns, as well as social engineering attempts against employees. And remember, attackers are moving fast. Once the stolen data hits the underground forums, the automation attacks usually begin immediately. So if your company uses Vimeo, here are a few immediate steps to take right now. First, reset your Vimeo password immediately, especially if it was reused anywhere else. Second, enable multi-factor authentication on all your business accounts. Third, monitor for users and suspicious login alerts or phishing emails pretending to be coming from Vimeo support. And finally, it's a good time to review your organization's overall cybersecurity posture. Third party platforms are now becoming one of the biggest attack surfaces for modern businesses. So I hope you got a lot of good information out of this vlog. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay smart and keep learning. Everybody have a great day.